Hi everyone, I'm Robyn Zimmerman and this is Talk of the Town. Josh Lieberman has joined us. As you know, he is the owner and the regional manager for Restore Hyper Wellness. It is located right here on HiltonHead Island. It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you too. Thanks for having me.
We were just saying that you opened in 2019 and the business is going very well, and it's a do more is your slogan, so that you want to come to Restore, which I love the name, so that you can do more in your life. Do more with whatever activities you might, care about, whether it's athletic, golf, whatever, or just living. Right, Josh?
That's the underlying mission, right? We want to help people do more of what they love, whether that's athletics, whether that's just personal life, whether that's working with the grandkids. I want to make sure that everybody has the power and the able willingness to be able to do more and do what they love to do.
So what kind of health concerns do people come to Restore with?
A lot of the time people come and ask for, I'm low on energy, how do I get through and have sustainable energy throughout the day? How do I manage my sleep? I don't sleep well, or I feel like I have anxiety and stress, or some more serious health concerns like autoimmune disorders like lupus, or things like Hashimoto's, or things that are just chronic illness that necessarily doesn't get better over time.
Right. And so for someone to kind of figure out if Restore is for them, you have nurse practitioners now that can do that entry-level kind of consultation to ask those important questions, and you can tell your story really too.
Correct. So it's very easy to get started. A lot of the time you just come and talk to us. Come and chat with us about your goals, your health concerns, what's impeding you from doing the things that you like to do, right? Is it, I want to be able to do more pickleball, right? I want to be able to play my golf. I want to be able to ride my bike, right? I want to be able to do the things that make me feel good, but I can't because maybe I don't feel like I'm mobile enough, or I need some pain management, right?
And what have been some of the results of folks that you have served over these 6 years?
So we've seen a lot of people over our 6 years, and we've helped a lot of them. And a lot of people say, just the small things, a few times a week coming in for an infrared sauna makes all the difference with their sleep, makes all the difference with their energy and their weight management. A lot of people come in for some cold therapy to help them with their pain and inflammation, help them with their recovery, again, help them with their energy and their sleep. So a lot of the results come from coming and trying it. A lot of it's a little bit new. Not everyone understands everything that we do and the therapies that we have, but all of them are science-backed. All of them are thoroughly researched, and it comes down to the testimony. We have thousands of clients, hundreds of members, and the idea is that we try and help them little by little over the course of time.
And Restore is actually located all over the country.
Yes.
And so this particular location, I think it's a perfect location for Restore, because we have so many active people that want, maybe later in life, that want to continue to be healthy and active. And it's prevention, it's early intervention. You're not a hospital. People don't come to you after they're sick. They don't want to be sick. They want to stay, they want to do more.
Yes, they want to be proactive about their health.
Yes.
So proactive wellness is something that we try and preach. Take control of how you feel. You have access to some of those things that can really help you take control of your health, and do it ahead of time, right? Before you start feeling like you can't reach those goals, or you can't because you might have been diagnosed with something, right? Try and take it on ahead of time. See if you can manage the inflammation or help you with your recovery earlier on, so you're better off later on.
And we have about a minute left, but you do have the infrared therapies, and you have the cold therapy, and then you have the IV services with vitamins and, for hydration and all of that. You also have, what else?
We have skin health therapy too. So we have estheticians on staff. So we have all sorts of medical grade facials to your more spa-like facials. So it depends on what's your goal for your skin health. We're going to work on the skin from the inside through our IVs and the different vitamin supplementations, or you can work on the appearance from the outside, right? Whether that's the skin tightening and toning therapies that we have for overall appearance and texture, to just the quality of your skin, the pigmentations and the scarring and the redness. Yeah.
So you have it all. You have it all.
We try.
And you're located kind of mid-island, right? On Marina Side Drive.
Yes.
And I've been into Restore, and it is very inviting. I love the atmosphere. It's very warm. And I know folks, you know, well, I don't really know what to expect, but just
come on
just
in.
come on in.
Come on in, make an appointment, schedule a consult. We're here to just chat with you to see how we can help you feel better.
Very good. Thank you, Josh.
Thank you.
Josh Lieberman with Restore Hyper Wellness. And we'll be right back. Thanks, Josh.
Thank you.